if you have a picky kid or just looking for something a little bit different for your kids' back to school lunch, then you're going to want to keep watching this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, if you have a picky eater or if you're just looking for something different for back to school lunches or any lunch, honestly, then you're gonna wanna watch this video. I am going to be making chicken tender sliders, and most kids eat chicken tenders. So instead of just throwing chicken tenders, in their lunch, we can make some sliders. And the best part about it is we can sneak in a little bit of lettuce or onion, pickles, tomatoes on the sandwich. And that way they'll be getting a little bit of the extra, nutrition, as opposed to just giving them the, chicken fingers. So I'm also going to go ahead and show you how I put these together. My son is actually working a 12-hour shift at the pool today, so I told him I would bring him lunch up. So I'm gonna make him some chicken sliders and some tater tots, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a complete bento box to show you what you can add to these chicken sliders to make it a complete lunch. So let me turn the camera down, go over all the ingredients for the sliders, and then once I make them, then I'll show you what I'm going to be adding into the bento box. So let's get started. All right, my friends, so I have the Pepperidge Ridge Sweet Hawaiian sliders. You can buy any kind that you want. And even if you don't want to do the slider rolls, get regular rolls. You can add 2 chicken strips on there, no big deal. Some pickles, lettuce, tomato, American cheese, honey mustard, and then I bought the Aldi chicken strips. I've never bought the chicken strips. I bought their red bag chicken that I like, but I've never bought these. So let me show you how I do my sliders, and then I'll show you the complete bento box. All right, my friends, so you can do this in the oven or in the air fryer. I'm gonna do it in the air fryer because I'm also gonna throw some tater tots in the air fryer along with the chicken strips, so that way I'm cooking them both at the same time. Now keep in mind, you can make these sandwiches up the night before and then just nuke them in the microwave and put them in their lunch. Totally up to you, but like I said, air fryer or the oven will work either way. So let's go ahead and get the chicken and the tater tots in. All right, my friends, let's go ahead and add these right here. I'm gonna make him 2. I think I might make myself 2 as well. And all right. And I'm gonna add in, I think I'm making hubby 2 after I thought about it. I better give him some as well. Alrighty, now let's arrange this on here so we have enough room for our tater tots. Go. Just play around with it, try to maximize the space. There we go. I have the tater tots. Put those in little empty spots like that. These are tater crowns actually, but you can do tater tots or whatever. Alrighty, now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the, I was gonna say the microwave. Alrighty. Alrighty, I'm just hitting my air fryer button and I am putting it, going down to the nugget button, 10 minutes, and start. We'll check back in 10. Friends, just want to show you real quick because I decided at the very last minute after I threw them in, I want to go ahead and add some bacon to that because he loves chicken and bacon. So I'm going to cook 2 slices of bacon and throw it on a sandwich as well. So like I said, you can throw avocado on there if you want. It is endless. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it together for him. All right, my friends. Let's check and see how we are. Oh yeah, this definitely needs to go longer for sure. Alright. I'm going to put it back in. I think this is going to take about 20 minutes in here. There are a lot. start. All right, my friends, I went an extra 6 minutes. Yeah, and that looks perfect. So I did about 16 minutes in the air fryer. Alrighty, I am going to go ahead and move my air fryer out of the way, and then we'll go ahead and put these together. All right, my friends, as you can see here, I had a small Roma tomato that I got from my garden, sliced 2 slices off, and then I just took a piece of romaine lettuce and cut it, you know, enough to fit the roll, and then I cooked 2 pieces of bacon, and cut that in half, and then I have 1 slice of cheese that I broke in half. So let's go ahead and put this together. All right, on my plate I have my bacon on. So let's go ahead and take our little slider rolls. And I think because I'm doing the bacon, I'm not going to put the honey mustard on, but you could take honey mustard, put it on the bottom of the rolls. Also, you could even use ranch dressing if you wanted. Blue cheese would be good. Even some buffalo sauce. You could put some buffalo sauce on there, and that would be really good. Honestly, friends, you know, it's it's whatever you make it. So let me grab my tongs here. And then, first I'm going to lay my cheese down on the bottom first, just because because this is still hot and I want it to melt it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken strip right on there. I'm gonna take this one and lay it right on there. And like I said, you put whatever sauce that you want on there. We're gonna put our bacon down. Lettuce, a little slice of tomato, and friends, that's it. That is all, just like that. And this makes a great lunch. And like I said, adding some lettuce and tomato, you're sneaking in a little bit of the veggies, and they won't even realize that you're doing it. So look at that. I'm not gonna do a taste test, obviously, because it's for my son, but look, does that look delicious or what? All right, now let me show you how I'm gonna put it together with my little bento box. All right, my friends, so I have my little bento box. I'm just gonna put my little chicken sandwich right in there. And you don't have to use a bento box. You can just use individual containers or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and you can add, my son doesn't like salt added to his what are these called? Potato crowns or whatever they are. But you can add a little bit of salt if you like. You add that in there. We have some potato crowns, applesauce. I added a couple pickles because let me tell you, pickles on those are wonderful. I added a little bit of cookies, and then you can throw in a little pack of fruit snacks, and you have a balanced meal. Quick and easy. If you have bigger kids, you can give them 2 of those. Simple, simple, simple. All right, my friends. So there you have it. Does that look delicious or what? You can just have it for lunch for yourself, just like that. Make up the little bento box, send it in for the kids. Simple, simple, simple. And this can be made the night before. Just wrap it up, put it in the fridge, and then quickly throw it in the microwave in the morning and just nuke it. And then just add your lettuce and tomato on there. So friends, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as it does greatly help me out. Friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.